Good morning, students. Today topic factorization. What is the meaning of factorization? Expressing any number as the product of two or more number is called as factorization. So any number, whatever number you select, that number product of two or more numbers is called as factorization. See the example 12. 1 into 12. 12, 4 3s are 12, 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So, any number, their product as two or more numbers is called as factorization. A squared minus b squared equal to, how to they multiple the number 1 into a squared minus b squared. So 1 into a squared minus b squared equal to a squared minus b squared. Minus 1 into, this change and write, a b squared minus a squared. So 1 is factor for all numbers and expression. How do they do? 1 into 12. Suppose you select in 15 also, 1 into 15. Any number, 6 also you select 1 into 6. So 1 is the factor for all numbers and expression. Now factorization example sum. Factorize 4x squared y plus 8xy. This is one term. 4x squared y is one term, first term. 8xy is the second term. So you write solution 4x squared y plus 8xy. 4 how to they expand there? 2 into 2. X squared x into x. Y you write. Next second term for 8. 2 into 2 into 2. X only write. Y only write. Now put in the bracket first. 4 how to they expand there? 2 into 2. X into x, y. All the one write in one bracket. 2 into 2, x into x, y. Plus 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y. Now see that one. Here one 2 bracket from also. What is the numbers and all have in common number? You select the number. Here 1 2, there 1 2. This 2 from you write in 1 2 there. Next another 1 2, here next 2. These 2 from 1 2 only write enough. Common write after 1 only write enough. 2 number from you write it 1 number. X. Y write. Which one is not round there? First bracket for x, second bracket for 2. This 2 bracket in between symbol is what symbol there? Plus symbol. So this number write in the bracket. The round the number, 2 number from write it 1 number. Right after which one is not round there? Here one first bracket, first term from 1x, second term 1 2. So x plus 2. 2 2s are 4, x into y, xy. X plus 2 is the answer. Next second question, factorize 2x plus 5, x minus y. This is the first term. Why there? Here in between symbol is not there. So next only start the number. This is the second term. First term, second term. This 2 term is called the monomial or binomial? Binomial. Why 2 term is there? This is called the binomial. Factorization form. You write it the question again there. 2x plus y into x minus y plus 4y x minus y. See the first term and second term. Which one is common is there? 2x plus y. They are not have that 2x plus y. X minus y. So here x minus 1 term. Here x minus y is there. So these 2 xy from you write it 1 xy first there. Right after 2 xy from one time write means enough. Which one is not right there? Say 2x plus y first bracket. Here in between symbol is what symbol there? Plus symbol. Which number is there not right? 4y. Now factorization for answer is x minus y into 2x plus 5 plus 4y. Next question, factorize 3n into p minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus p. So write it the question again there. 3n into p minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus p. See very carefully want to see that. How to there come in plus symbol? Minus into minus plus. So 2 near is not symbol. You write it plus symbol. This plus symbol how to write there? Minus into minus. This minus only one minus symbol only. So which one is commonly there have? Minus symbol only common there have. This minus 2 minus from you write in here 1 minus, there 1 minus, these 2 minus from you write in one number, plus into minus minus 4. So plus symbol change into the minus 2p, minus symbol change into the plus p. Now 3n into p minus 2 minus 4 into, I am change and write there. P first you write, after you write in minus 2. Now see this is the first term, this is the second term. So this p minus 2 is the common number. P minus 2 from you write in 1 p minus 2. Which one is next number? 3n minus 4. Okay, this one confused means very easy step is what step you see there. P minus 2 is there. Here is what is there? 2 minus p is there. So you write in here plus symbol change into the minus. So here plus 2 only, minus symbol. Minus change into the plus b. Next step for change and write the bracket number only. Common number select and write there. Next question, factorize. X squared plus yz plus xy plus xz. So write it the question again there, x, these two also join first there, nearby you write yz, x squared plus xy, yz plus xz. Now how x squared, how to the I am expand there, x into x plus xy plus yz plus yz, xz. Here to which number is common number, here to which number is common number, 2, 4 term is there, have you select in 2 terms there, select. Here x, there also x, these 2x from you write in 1x there, which is not there have x plus y is not round there, you write in there one bracket, plus next 2 terms for z is common there, these 2z from you write in 1z there, which one is extra there have y plus z, I am writing x plus z, x plus y. Now here also x plus y, there also x plus y. So this x plus y from you write in one number x plus y. Which one is not right there? These two x plus y, 2 terms from you write in one number. Right after which is common there? X plus z. This is the answer. Exercise 3.4. Factorize the following by taking out the common factor. First question, 18xy minus 12yz. Example sum, first sum model, use write in 18, how to the expand the 18, 2 into 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 2 into 3 into 3. xy, how to the expand? X into y. Minus 12, how to the expand there? 3 into 2 into 2. You multiply this number, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. yz, how to the write? Yz. Now you select the common number very carefully. See here 2. This is the first term, this is the second term. Here also have the 2. These 2 from 1 to write first. Okay, this is a common number. Next, here also 3, there also 3. These 2, 3 from you write in 1, 3 enough. Next, here x is there have, there not have the x. Here have the y, there have the y. So select the y. Y, right. Take 2 number from writing 1 number. So now common number you selected is over. Next you start the bracket. First term for which one is still not round there? 3 into x. You write in here 3 into x. Next symbol is minus. Here which number is not selected? 2 and z. 2 into z. Now multiple the number 2 3s are 6. 6 into y equal to 6y. Start the bracket 3 into x. 3x only. 3 into x, 3x minus 2z. Multiply the number 3 2s are 6, y. 3 into x, 3x minus 2z. First sum. Next question. 9x power 5 y cube plus 6x cube y squared minus 18x squared y. How many terms there have? 3 terms. Now write it the same question, the second solution right after, write first step. Second step, expand the number. See there expand for 9, how to there expand? 3 into 3. X power 5 for how many x is there have? 5x. X into x into x into x into x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. Y cube, y into y into y. Next symbol is what symbol? Plus symbol. So 6 how to the expand? 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. X cube 3x. 1x into x into x. Y square how to the expand? Y into y into y. Minus 18 how to the expand? 2 into 3 into 3 into x squared x into x y. Now you select the common number. Now here 1 3. First term over. Plus symbol started. Next term started. Here 1 3. Round the first 3 and all. Next third term minus symbol start the third term also you select in 3 there. Okay, now you common number here 1 3, here 1 3, there 1 3, 1 2 3. These 3 from 1 3 right. Before sum is 2 term is there, have 2 numbers from you write in 1 number. Here how many terms and all there have? 3 terms for 3 numbers. 3 terms also check, and this is the first term, second term, third term, 3 is common, right, finish it. Next x, here 1x, second term for 1x, third term for 1x. So this 3x from you write in 1x. Next another 1x, 1 2 3. So next x also over. Y term, here 1y, here 1y, there 1y. So write in 1y. 3 terms for 3y from you write in 1y. Start the bracket. Which numbers and all still not rounder? 3 x into x into x, y into y. 3 right after how many x? 1 2 3 x into y into y plus 2 into x into y minus 2 into 3 only balance remaining all the terms and all selected there. 3 x into x, x squared, y you write, start the bracket 3. 3x from x into x equal to x cube, power 1 1 1, all the one add x power 3, y squared plus 2 into xy minus 6. This sum is very easy. X into b minus 2c. First read the question. X into b minus 2c plus y into b minus 2c. Solution, write the same question. See the bracket. Which one is common is there? Here one b minus 2c, here b minus 2c. These two are round there. These two number from you write in first one number b minus 2c. Which is still not rounded. Here x is not round. So write in x, here plus y. Next bracket right means over the work. Very easy the sum. Next sum, ax plus ay, bx plus by. Ax plus ay, bx plus by. Write it the same question, second step. See the underline the, this is the first term, this is the second term. Which number is common is there? AA. So round it AA. This 2A from write in one number. Next you start the bracket which is not round x. Next symbol is plus y. Plus here also b, there also b. This b from 1b you write. Which one is still not round there? X plus y. Next step also. See the bracket here 1x plus y, here 1x plus y. Round this one. This 2x plus y from you write in 1x plus y. Which one is not rounded here? First one for a, next one for plus b. So write it the bracket. Next question. 2x squared into 4x minus 1 minus 4x plus 1. This is very carefully see. Example same model only there. Write it same question next step also. Right after 2x squared into 4x minus 1 minus 4x plus 1. See here 2x squared right in the bracket. This is the second term. Here any number also can't able to take in 1. Any number also can't able to take means which number want to take there? 1 is the common in all the factor for. So here also 1 is there have, here also 1 is there have. So is there 1 into 4x plus here 1 into 1. 1 into 4x plus 1 into 1 you think. So common number is what is the number? 1. Here minus symbol for write in minus symbol you start the bracket. Right after which one you write 4x plus change into write in the minus. Why here minus is there common, minus take after there one minus is balance. 4x minus 1 here also 4x minus 1 2 bracket from you write in one number. 4x minus you write in 1. Minus 1 you write in one bracket. Next which one is not right? 2x squared minus 1. One time you see there here minus symbol. This 4x how time write? 1 into 4x. 1 into 4x. Next here plus right after 1 into 1. Any number also not have common means which number is there have 1 is there have. This 1 is taken out right no, 2 1 from right in 1 1. So minus symbol for write it minus symbol you start the bracket 4x right plus symbol change into right in minus symbol. Now multiple and see up answer is definitely come. This 4x minus 1, this 4x minus 1 from you write in 1 4x minus 1, 2x square minus 1. Next question 3y into x minus 2 whole squared minus 2 into 2 minus x. 3y, write it the question. 3y into x minus 2 whole squared minus 2 into 2 minus x. This one, see here x minus 2, that 2 minus x. Change and write means over the work. So, change and write for minus symbol want write in outside. So, this my second term to start after wherever have the minus symbol, you write in the plus symbol. Plus symbol have means you write in the minus symbol. Okay, now minus change into write in the plus 2. Here change, here come the x, here want write, 2 here right means this x you know x minus right plus minus 2. Minus symbol change and write in the plus symbol change and write in the minus symbol. Next work 3y into x minus 2 whole square minus plus 2 right x change and write. This symbol change after immediately you change in x minus 2. 3y into x minus 2 whole square. For x square, how to they write x into x? The same x minus 2 also you write in 2 times. X minus 2 plus 2 x minus 2. Now see the bracket which is common is there x minus 2. Here x minus 2. This 2x2 minus 2 for you write in x minus 2 which is not round there 3y x minus 2 plus 2. This is the factor number. Next question 6xy minus 4y squared plus 12xy minus 2yzx. Write it the same question there. Right after see very carefully. This is 6xy. Here a 12xy. 2 also what is a term there? Like term. This 2 also what is a term there? Like term. Like term you want to add the number. Here 12, here 6. 12 plus 6 equal to what is the answer? 18 xy for you write in xy. Remaining under separate term. Minus 4y squared minus 2yzx. Now here all the one for which number is common number? 2. 2. How do they come the 2? Here you see there 2 into 9 into x into y. 18 how do they I expand 2 into 9 minus 2 into 2 y into y minus 2 into y into z into x. So your common number is what is the number is first there have 2, 2, 2. These 2, 3, 2 from you write in 1, 2. Next y, y, y. So 2y right after which is not round right in the bracket. First start the bracket 9 into x 9x 2 into y 2y z into x zx. In between symbol and all minus symbol you write it the minus symbol. Next question a cube minus 3a squared plus a minus 3. 3a cube minus 3a squared plus a minus 3. See there, a cube how to the expand? A into a minus 3a squared 3 into a. Next symbol is plus a minus 3. First these two also see there. Here 2a, 1a, here 1a. A into a equal to what is a squared. So a square right in outside. Which number is not round? A minus 3 plus a minus 3. Now you compare here. Here any number also there not means what number you write? 1 you write. A minus 3 write. First 2a minus 3 from you write in 1a minus 3. Next one is a squared plus 1. Write it another one bracket. Next question 3y cube minus 48y. 3y cube how do they expand? 3 into y into y into y. 48y how do they expand? 3 into 16 into y. 3 into 16 into y. Now 3 is here common, here also 3 is common. Here y is common, here also y is common. So 3y is the common number. So write it 3y. Y into y squared 16 you write. Y squared, y write the bracket and whole squared write. 16 how do they write? 4 squared. 16 is equal to 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. Now this is a squared minus b squared formula. A squared minus b squared. Last year also you studied. What is the answer? A plus b into a minus b is the answer. Okay, now a for what is there have y squared minus 4 squared. Wherever have a you write in y. Wherever have in the b you write in 4. Y plus 4 into y minus 4 is the answer. Now this one for you write in y plus 4 into y minus 4. This is the factors. Next question, ab squared minus bc squared minus ab plus c squared. Solution, ab squared minus bc squared minus ab plus c squared. How many terms? 4 terms. You selecting 2 terms first. This is the first work. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. You selecting first term, second term. Now here you see here b squared, here b into c. How do they expand there? A into b minus b into c is the first work. Next symbol is what symbol? Minus. Any number also there not a, b, c differently there. So how do they write? 1 into a into b plus 1 into c you write first. Right after which number is common? This is the first term, this is the second term. A, b is the common. 2 numbers from 2 terms for b is common. You write in first one b. Right after which one is not round there? Start the bracket a into b, ab minus c into c equal to c squared. Here 1 is common, minus symbol, write it minus 1, start the bracket ab. This plus symbol change into the minus c squared. So ab minus c squared. Okay, why you want to write in here minus symbol? This plus symbol, how do they write? Minus into minus only plus. I am selecting it here, minus is the common. Here have the minus symbol right after, that not have the symbol you write in AB. Here 2 minus from you write in 1 minus symbol minus c squared. AB minus c squared. Here first bracket, here first bracket. 2 also same only. AB minus c squared, right? Which one is not right? B minus 1, write it another one bracket. Factorize the following expressions. This is very easy. This second Roman letter for 2 sums are very easy there. X squared plus 14x plus 49. See there, x squared only right. 14x. 49, which 2 numbers? Same number multiply and get the answer equal to 49. 7 into 7. 49 equal to 7 into 7. This 7 into 7, how do they write as 7 squared? 2, 7 from you write in 7 squared. This 49 you write in 7 squared. This is, you see there, all the symbol is plus symbol. Which identity is used there? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal to a plus b whole squared formula only there come. So a for first one is what is there have? A squared for x squared, 2ab for 14x, b squared for 7 squared. Okay, and now a is, what is the number is there? 2 same. So a is, instead of what is the letter is there have x. B instead of what is the letter is there have 7. So a value equal to x, b value equal to 7. A plus b whole squared for you write in x plus a you write in x, b for you write in 7. X plus 7 whole squared for write its whole squared. So x squared, how do they expand there? X into x. So 7 x plus 7 how to whole squared, how do they expand there? X plus 7 x plus 7. 2 x plus 7 is their house. X plus 7 are the 2 factors. Very easy work. X squared 49 only work here. 7 squared. A plus b whole squared. A for x, b for 7. So x plus 7 whole squared, x plus 7 into x plus 7 2 times, right, are the 2 factors. Next question, y squared minus 10y plus 25. See there, y squared minus 10y plus 25. Write it the question there. See the work of y squared. For 25, how do they expand there? 5 squared. So minus symbol, 1 plus symbol. Second identity, a plus a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b squared. Now a for what is the letter is there have a is y, b is 5. A equal to y, b equal to 5. So a for you write in y, b for you write in y squared. A you write in y, b you write in 5. So y minus 5 whole square for y minus 5 are the two factors. These two sums also very easy the sum. Next method very important. It is very useful to the 10th standard. C squared minus 4c plus minus 12. This method is very easy. 1 or 2 times practice the sum. C squared minus 4c minus 12 very important. One here how many c squared is there? 1 c squared minus 4c minus 12. Here round the number c. Whatever I am doing, you do the sum. Here you have the number is what is the number 1. Here have the number is what is the number 12. These two number also do in the product. 1 into minus 12 equal to minus 12. 1 into minus 12 equal to minus 12. So what is the work? Put in the two box. Multiply and get the answer equal to what is there have a 12. Product of minus 12. The same number here you select and do or not. The same number add and write, get it the answer equal to here in between have the number only you write 4 minus 4. Should not write in c squared c and all. Okay, first step here not to have the number. Question from not to have the number c squared minus 4c minus 12. You write in again 1 there. There have the number means no problem. Not to have the number for you must write in 1. 1 here minus 12. 1 12 is 12. 1 into minus 12. See there minus 12 equal to minus 12. The two numbers here I multiple there. Get the answer is minus 12 want to come here. What is the bracket? Want to come the answer. Which two number multiple and get the answer equal to 12. Here what is the number writing? The same number write for you get it the answer also. Sum of the number is 4. Which two number is possible? You see there. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Come the answer or not? So symbol only balance. So where want to put in the symbol only you see there. First 6 and 2 you write. 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2 equal to minus 4 want to come. Okay, so which number is greater number? 6 is the greater for you write in here minus symbol. Here you write the minus symbol for here also you write in the minus number. So now you multiple the number 6 2s are 12. Here minus symbol, here any symbol also they are not go. So plus into minus equal to minus. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to minus 4. Come the answer or not over the work. How to write in the factor numbers? Here what is the number is there have 1. So here you write in minus 6 by 1. Here you write in 2 by 1. See there, here have the bracket number I am writing in minus 6. Here have the 1 only I am writing here. Here have the 1. Where to come the 1? C squared. First term for what is the near number is there. We write it by 1 by 1. So here divided and write means answer is what is the answer? The same answer only. So this C 1 for you write in C. Here also write in C. What is the factor is the answer is C minus 6. 1 into C equal to C minus 6 is one factor. Here 1 into C equal to C plus any symbol also that not means what symbol is there? Plus 2. C plus 2 is another one factor. You confuse means here put in the plus symbol also not come the doubt. Any doubt? This method only very easy. You follow this method. First step what is the work? Any number also there not have 1 you write. This 1 you round here have the last minus 12. Plus 12 means plus 12. Two numbers also you multiple that. Product of the number equal to minus 2. Sum of the number equal to what is the number? Minus 4. Product meaning is minus. Product of the two number equal to minus 12. Sum of the two number plus symbol get it the answer equal to minus 4. Here from only you select the numbers. So which two numbers select there? Minus 6 plus 2. 6 2s are 12. Minus into plus equal to minus 12. Minus 6 plus 2. So greater number is 6. 6 from you minus in 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Greater number is minus 4. Next step this minus 6 again you write plus 2 also write in again there. Okay, this number you divided by this number minus 1. 1 2 you divide 1 1. So this one divide also same answer only. So this one from what is the variable is there? A means A, B means B. This C only you write 1 into C, C minus 6. Down number is C, up number is minus 6. C minus 6 is one factor. Another one start the bracket. 1C is CE plus 2 only another one factor. So this expression for what is the answer? C minus 6, C plus 2 is the same also. Next sum m squared minus plus m plus minus 72. M squared plus m minus 72. So any number also that not means you write in number 1 you write. Now product of the number for which two number you want to round there? First term 2 you want to round in 1. Last third term for also what is the number is there? How? Minus 72. So 1 into 72. 1 into minus 72 equal to minus 72. Product for get the answer. Product meaning is into. Into from the get the answer equal to minus 72. Sum of the product for in between number only. What is the number? Plus 1 want to come the answer. How to expand the number? How to divide the number? Which two number multiple for 72? 9 8s are 72. 9 minus 8 equal to 1 is the answer. So where want to put in the minus symbol? So plus 1 for less number is minus 8. 8 near put in the minus symbol. 9 into minus 8 equal to minus 72. 9 minus 8 equal to plus 1. Next step is what is the work? This 9 you write in again. Here minus 8 you write in again. Here m square near what is the number? 1. 1 to you want to divide the number. Any number divide for what is answer? Same only answer. So here variable. Before sum for what is the variable? C is the variable. Now this sum for what is the variable? M. So m you write 1 into m equal to what is the answer? M. Here plus 9 or minus 9? Plus 9. M plus 9, m minus 8. Now factors and all, what is the factors? M plus 9 into m minus 8 is the answer. Next question, 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. Before sums you see there, this variable near any number also there not you write in 1. Here you see there variable nearby have the number. Okay, 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. So round the number. What is the number? 4 here plus 3. 4 3s are 12. What is the 12 there? Plus 12. 4 into plus 3 equal to what is the answer? Plus 12. Sum of the number. Center for what is the number? Minus 8. So 2 number you select. Select after which two number multiple and get the answer equal to plus 12. The same number add and get the answer equal to minus 8. 6 2s are 12. Minus into minus plus. Here minus 6. Here minus 2. So my 2 also like symbol. So write in like symbol and write it 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So minus 8. Now next step is what is the step? This minus 6 minus 2 right. Here what is the variable? Before sum 1 is there, 1 to divide the number. Here have the number is what is the number? 4. So 4 to you divide the number. Then before what is the variable is there? Have x. X is common. Down for only write in x there. So this two number is possible in two table. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Here 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. So 2 into x, 2x. Answer is what is the answer? Minus 3. So 2x minus 3 is right in one bracket. Next here x. 2 into x equal to x. Here minus into 1 equal to minus 1. Another one factor is 2x minus 1. These two sums, third Roman letter and fourth Roman letter is very easy. Why? They are given in the formula also. Factorize the following expressions using a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Identity is there given. This identity use and do the sums. Very easy. 64 first sum 64x cube plus 144x squared plus 108x plus 27. Okay, now that which three numbers multiply and cube for the 64 you select. Which three numbers multiply and get the answer equal to 64? 4 into 4 into 4. This is first step. 64, 4 into 4 into 4. Last number is what is the number? 27. Which three numbers multiply and get the answer is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. First work is you complete that. This no means very easy the sums. So now 64 x cube equal to, now how do they expand that? I am 4 into 4 into 4 x cube. So 64 you write in 4 into 4 into 4 x cube, x into x into x. First term and last term only you expand that enough now. 3 into 3 into 3. So this 4x whole cube. How do they write? 4x whole cube. You expand that, come the answer. Remaining two terms correctly write. Now here 3 whole cube. 4 3 from, sorry, 3 4 from, you write in 4, 3x from right. Write it the whole bracket whole cube. Must put in the bracket and write 3 27 3 cube. First work is completed. Next work you write it the identity. What is the question from that given in the identity? You write a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b squared. Now a for what is the number is there? 4x. B for last term is b. B for what is the number? 3. A equal to 4x, b equal to 3. You first write. Now clear? A equal to 4x, b equal to 3. Now these two value also is substitute that formula. So 4x whole cube, a for you write in 4x, 4x cube plus 3 into a squared for 4x whole squared into b 3 plus 3 into 4x 3 whole squared plus 3 whole cube. Okay, now here answer from question a plus b whole for a for what is the answer? 4x, b for 3. 4x plus 3 whole cube. How many 4x plus 3 whole cube? 3 is there, have 3. 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3 are the 3 factors. Before some 2 factors find. Now 3 factors. 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3, right, means over the work. Okay, the same for some same model, another one sum 27p cube plus 54p squared q squared plus 36p q squared plus 8 cube. First, this sum is the homework you want to do. Must watch the video and find it the answer. 27, which 3 numbers multiply and get the answer equal to 27. 3 into 3 into 3. P cube for what the right? P into p into p. Now 8q cube, how to the write? 2 into 2 into 2 into q into q into q. Okay, now this also how to the write? 3p whole cube. Here 2q whole cube. You write and find it the answer. The same method only. I explain one time, see there. 27p cube. So you write in 3p whole cube plus 54p squared q squared, 36p q squared plus 2q cube. A for what is the answer? 3p. B for what is the answer? 2q. Write it the formula. This a for you write in 3p plus symbol. See there, question from we start here. 3p 2q whole cube is equal to a 3p whole cube. 3 into this a squared for you write in 3p whole squared. B for you write in 2q. Next 3 into 3p into 2q whole squared plus 2q whole cube. Substitute this two value. It a equal to 3p, b equal to 3q. Also substitute this formula for. Right after 3p plus 2 cube. This only need here answer for. So 3p plus 2q whole cube equal to, how many times expand that? 3 times. 3p in plus 2q into 3p plus 2q, 3p plus 2q. Write it the answer. Are the 3 factors. Are the 3 factors. Next question. Factorize the following expression using a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3ab squared, a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. This formula you find it the answer. Same. Before sum is plus symbol, second sum is minus symbol. So write it the question again. y cube, which number multiply and get the answer equal to y cube? Y 3 times multiply and get the answer is y cube. 216, 6 into 6 into 6. See there, y cube minus 18y squared plus 108y minus 6 whole cube. A equal to y, b equal to 6. These two values substitute this formula. Given the question is the formula, the a equal to y, b equal to 6, substitute this formula. A minus b whole cube for a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. A equal to y, b equal to 6. A equal to y, b equal to 6. So y minus 6 whole cube equal to y cube minus 3. A equal to y, b equal to 6. Substitute this value. A equal to y, b equal to substitute this formula. This one only want to select and find it the answer. Y minus 6 whole cube for how many times expand there? Y minus 6, y minus 6, y minus 6 are the three factors. Second question, 8m cube minus 60m squared n plus 150m n squared minus 125 n cube. So identity is given from the question. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Now 8 for how to the write 2m whole cube. Remaining 2 also no need to touch. 125 5 into 5 into 5. So write in 5n is the variable 5n whole cube. Now a for what is the number is there have 2m. B for what is the number 5n. So a equal to 2m, b equal to 5n. These two values substitute this identity. 2m, see there 2m, a equal to 2m. 2m minus 5n whole cube. 2m minus 5n whole cube is equal to 2m whole cube. Where is the bracket? You see very carefully. 3. 2m whole squared into 5n plus 3 into 2m into 5n squared minus 5n cube. Now this one only select, remaining and all no need there. 2m minus 5n whole cube is equal to whole cube for this given the number 3 times you write 2m minus 5n, 2m minus 5n, 2m minus 5n are the three factors. Objective type questions. 3 factorize of 9x squared plus 6xy are, what is the answer? A, B, C, D for see the sum. 9x squared, how to the expand? 3 into 3 x squared x into x plus symbol 2 into 3 6, how to the expand? 2 into 3 x into xy for x into y. Common number you select. What is the common number? Here also 3, there also 3. Write in 1 3. Here x, there 1x. Select in 1x. 3x is the common. So next, which number is not right? 3 and x. 3 into x, 3x. Next symbol is plus 2 into y equal to 2y. 3x, 3x plus 2y is the factor. Now answer is, what is the option is correct there? D option is correct. What is option is correct there? D option is correct. Next question, factorize 4 minus m squared. 4 minus m squared, how to the write? 4 you expand in 2 into whole squared. M you expand in m squared. 2 you expand, 4 you expand in 2 squared. M squared, m whole squared. This is the a squared minus b squared formula. What is the a squared minus b squared formula? A plus b into a minus b. A for write in 2, b you write in m. 2 plus m, 2 minus m. 2 plus m and 2 minus m. Which is option is correct there? C option is correct. Next question. 7th question, x minus 4 and x minus 5 are the factors of dash. So multiple the number x minus 4, x plus x minus 5. Now for 2 term is there have x2 you multiple in x minus 5, 4 2 you multiple in x minus 5. Okay, now x into x, x squared minus 5 into x equal to 5x. Next symbol is 4 into x equal to 4x plus into minus minus 4 5s are 20. X squared. Now 2 also like terms. Minus 5 plus 4. The unlike symbol. So minus 5 plus 4 equal to what is the answer? Minus 1x also correct. X right means also correct there. X squared minus x minus 20. Now question from which option is correct there? D option is correct. Next question, the factors of x squared minus 5x plus 6, x minus 2, x minus b, then the value. What is the value of p value there? See there, x squared minus 5x plus 6. How to there expand there? See there, x minus 3, x minus 2. X minus 2 is there given. X squared. See, I am writing it here again. X squared minus 5x plus 6. 8th question, objective type question. Here any number also there not you write in 1. So write it now here 1. Here write round in 1. 1 into 6 equal to what is the answer? 1 into plus 6 equal to plus 6. So product of the two number, which two number multiply and get the answer equal to plus 6. The same number add and get the answer equal to minus 5. Minus 2, you write in here minus 3. 2 3s are 6. Minus into minus plus. You write here minus 2, the same number minus 3. 2 also like symbol, you write in minus 2 plus 3 equal to 5 is the answer. Okay, now here what is the number is there have 1. So you write in minus 2. Here come the first bracket number is minus 2. There have the 1 you divide. Minus 3, 1. So what is the variable? X. Whatever number divided 1, what is the answer? Same only. So 1 into x equal to x. Up number is minus 2. X minus 2 is one factor. X minus 3 is, here x is the variable. 1 into x, x minus 3. So x minus 2 and x minus 3 is the answer. Question is what is there given? See there x minus 2, x minus p is there given. What is the value of p? X minus 2 is already find. X minus 3. So p value equal to what is the answer? 3 is the answer. Now option is B is the correct answer. Next question, the factors of 1 minus m cube. Minus symbol is there have. So write it first 1 minus m. This is the answer. A cube minus b cube formula you know what? A cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a minus b whole cube? A minus b. Right after you write in a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is the formula. So now a for what is the number? 1. B for what is the number? M. So 1 minus m right after. Remaining all the one is plus symbol only need. So plus symbol is which option is correct there? C option is correct. Next, the one factor of x cube plus y cube. What is the formula? X plus y. What is the x cube plus y cube formula? X plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared is the formula. One factor only they are given. So x plus y is the one factor. What is the option is correct there? B option is correct. Now 3.4 is completed. 3.5 is the miscellaneous sum. So no need to find. Do the exercise 3.2. Next class I start the 3.6 sums. Exercise number I will start 3.6.